Hi there, students. Noblesse oblige. Okay, this comes from French. It means literally nobleness obliges. But what does that mean? It means if you have high rank or high position, then you have responsibilities. So if you are rich and important, then, for example, you have an obligation to give to the poor. If you have high rank, also, this phrase means that you have the obligation to provide a good example to everyone else. The rights of high position have come with them the duty to act well. So how would you use this phrase? Well, imagine somebody goes to an important person and says, please give me some money, I've got a really difficult situation. So the important person says noblesse oblige, and they take out their wallet and they give them a fiver or a tenner or whatever. Okay, so this is how you would use noblesse oblige. So as I have high rank or high status, then I am obliged to do this thing. Maybe parents have obligations to their children. Parents have many rights and an important position for their children. Therefore, they have the duty to behave properly and to give them a good example. So, for example, we have a really hard day tomorrow. It's going to be very difficult. So I think everybody should go to bed early. So the leader of the team at 9:30 looks at his watch, says, noblesse oblige, I'm going to bed. As I'm the leader, I have an obligation to set a good example. Okay, so this is the obligations of, or the things that somebody must do, of somebody who is in command, who is the leader, who is high and mighty. I think nowadays many important people have forgotten this idea of noblesse oblige, and they set terrible examples for other people. So every right has a corresponding obligation. It's something they don't teach in British society, but they really ought to. Okay, so noblesse oblige. This is something I think, yes, I think I would only say it's reasonably formal though. So you can say it, but in a casual conversation, maybe, but it's by using it in a casual conversation you're saying, as I am an important person. So it's very big-headed. But when an important person or the leader or something like that has to do something that maybe they don't really want to do in order to give an example, then you could use this phrase, noblesse oblige. Okay, so it sounds very posh as well, yeah, because by saying noblesse oblige, or the person who says it is saying, I am important, I am high-born, I am the tops. Okay, So it sounds really pretty posh. In a casual conversation in the pub, well, you could use it as a joke, yeah? I guess it's my round, Noblesse Oblige. You could use it like that as a joke as well, but you probably need to be careful how to use it. So there you go, French, noblesse, nobleness, oblige, obliges. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Noblesse oblige.